Welcome back to Miss Teacher Tube with Janice Leong. On today's episode, we're going to be learning all about word problems. We're going to learn how to solve addition and subtraction word problems. We're also going to learn how to create them. So we're going to have a lot of fun in today's episode. It will be a lot of work, but I have a feeling you are ready for it. So stay tuned and let's get started. Welcome back. So let's get started on word problems. So we're going to read through the word problem. On the slides I have coming up for you, I do not want you to copy down every single word to solve the problem. This is what I want you to do. I want you to read through the problem. The part I do want you to write down is what number you're working on. And I want you to write down the addition sentence that you're going to make after you do all the reading, and then your sentence with your answer in it. So only these last two parts are the ones I want you to write down. You do not have to write everything down. So let's read. I do want you to draw a picture of the math problem so you can figure it out. So this is the way it's going to work. Let's read together. Bob has 5 cards. Oh, there's our number word. So he has 5 cards. He gets 4 more. Oh, there's our number word. He gets 4 more. Let's go ahead and draw that. I do want you to draw it. So he has 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. He gets 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to add those two together. Let's go ahead and count from the 5 and we'll count up 4. So grab the 5 and count up 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 altogether. Let's go ahead and make our addition sentence. This is the part you'll also need to write down. So we're going 5 plus 4 equals 9. And then I want you to write the sentence with your solution in it. So Bob has blank cards all together. So we're going to write down Bob has 9 cards all together. Now, if you want to kick it up a notch and show me you really know your stuff, instead of writing the numeral 9, let's see if you can remember how to spell 9. So if you want to write the numeral, go ahead. If you want to try a little bonus and see if you can get the number word in, let's go ahead and do it. And there's something silent on the end, otherwise just nin. Yeah, we need an E on the end. 9. Bob has 9 cards all together. Go ahead and work on the next slides. I have all the instructions on there for you, so you don't have to remember everything I've just said that you need to do. Just make sure you read the instructions and do what I'm asking you to do on each slide. You can check your answers on the slide after that. Have some fun with it, take your time, and I will see you soon. Welcome back. I hope you had fun working on the addition problems. We're going to do the same thing only with subtraction. So now that you're all warmed up, we're not going to be putting things together, we're going to be taking things away. So when we draw our picture, we're going to draw the large number and we're going to cross things out to take them away. So let's get started. So Lise had 10 cakes She gave away 5. So let's find our number words. She had 10 cakes. She gave away 5. So let's go ahead and draw that. So she had 10 cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She gave away 5. So let's give them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now this is the part I do want you to write in your book. You're going to draw your picture and then you're going to write out your subtraction sentence. So we started out with 10 and then we took away 5 and we're left with 5. Now I do want you to write out your subtraction sentence at the end here in words. Now, it's okay if you don't know how to spell 5 and you want to put 5 on the line, but I really want you to try to spell that number word if you can. Sound it out the best you can. And if you make little mistakes here and there, that's not a big deal. We learn from our mistakes, but give it a try. So Lise has blank cakes left. 5. I, and the I says its name because something silent is on the end. Silent E. Okay, go ahead and try the subtraction problems on the next slides and you can check your work and I will see you soon. Welcome back. So we're finally at the point where we're going to be making our own word problems. So I've got some cool pictures coming up for you that you can work with to make your own word problems. But for my example, we're going to work with dots. So whatever you're working with, don't worry about the spelling because I've already written what the item is in words. So you can just copy that when you're making your word problem. So for this example, we're using dots. So we're going to make a word problem to go with these dots. So here we have 3 dots. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. Equals, well, let's count up. 3, well, I'd like to start with the bigger number. It's easier to count up from the bigger number. So let's grab the 4 and count up 3. Ready? 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 dots. Okay, there's my example. You've got some cool pictures coming up. Having some fun working with it. See you soon. Welcome back. We're a little bit more close up because for the next part of this work that you're going to do, we're going to do subtraction word problems. You're going to look at the picture that I've made for you and it's all involving my little groups of ladybugs. So in this group, I have all my little ladybugs together. I have 7 all together, and some of them are leaving. So it's going to be a subtraction problem. Absolutely. We're going to make a word problem to go with this picture. So I have 7 ladybugs all together, minus how many are in the circle that are taken off? 1, 2, 3. Minus 3 equals what? Let's see. How many are left when the 3 fly away? You can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 that are left. Now we're going to put it into words. So there were 7 ladybugs. How many flew away? 3 flew away. There are 4 left. Okay, if you get all of the words down, even though they're not spelled perfectly, try your best. Again, it does not have to be perfect. We are learning. It's totally acceptable to make mistakes. If you can't remember how to write a number word, it's totally acceptable for you to put the numeral in to make your sentence. Sound the words out the best you can. Again, it is math. I'm wanting you to try your best to put a word problem together, and if there's some spelling errors along the way, that's totally okay at this level in grade 2. It'll get better and better as the year goes along. Okay, so I've got some ladybug problems coming up for you. Again, here's your example on what I'd like you to do. Have some fun with it and take your time, and you can check your answers on the slide after the problem. I will see you soon. Well, we've come to the end of another Miss Teacher Tube episode. We have learned a lot today about making word problems for addition and subtraction problems. And we'll continue to work on this all year long. So don't worry, we'll get more practice with it later on. And again, if you need to practice any of these skills, you can rewatch my videos anytime you like and practice. This is again the end of our episode for today. If these videos are useful to you, please like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.